Turkey has achieved another significant milestone in its burgeoning defense industry with the successful testing of the Marlin 100 EW, an unmanned surface vessel, USV, equipped with advanced electronic warfare systems. Developed by Aselsan in collaboration with SEFINE Shipyard, this next-generation naval technology represents a major leap in Turkey's quest for maritime superiority. The Marlin 100 EW was jointly developed by Aselsan, Turkey's leading defense electronics company, and SEFINE Shipyard, one of the country's most advanced naval shipbuilders. The vessel was first unveiled at the DIMDEX 2022 Defense Exhibition in Doha, Qatar, where it garnered international attention for its modular design, robust autonomy, and scalable mission systems. The Marlin 100 EW is more than just an unmanned vessel. It is a cutting-edge electronic warfare platform designed to detect, disrupt, and neutralize enemy communications and radar systems throughout sea-based operations. Recent trials conducted in the Aegean Sea and the Eastern Mediterranean have demonstrated the vessel's ability to operate autonomously in complex electronically demanding conditions. The Marlin 100 EW is a 15-meter-long USV with a beam of approximately 3.85 meters and a displacement of approximately 21 tons. It is powered by twin 600-horsepower diesel engines, providing a top speed of at least 35 knots and an endurance of up to 72 hours. Its payload capacity is approximately 4 tons or more, enabling the platform to carry advanced mission systems, weapons systems, and electronic warfare (EW) equipment. The platform's hull and navigation systems are specifically designed for high seas operations, including inertial navigation, dynamic positioning, and active stabilization systems. The platform's modular design is a key feature. The platform supports a variety of mission packages including surface warfare, anti-submarine warfare (ASW), and ISR (EW), making it a multi-role unmanned naval asset. One of the Marlin 100 EW's key attributes is its advanced electronic warfare (EW) suite. A stabilized remote weapon station (SMASH) 212-7L is optional when the platform is armed. The EW designation indicates that this variant of the Marlin series is optimized for electronic warfare (EW) operations, an area that has been the focus of significant investment in Turkey over the past decade. Aselsan integrates its latest generation of electronic support (ESM) and electronic attack (EA) systems into the Marlin platform, enabling it to perform a variety of missions, including the system's software-defined architecture allows rapid adaptation to new threats, frequencies, and tactics, making the Marlin 100 EW one of the world's most versatile unmanned warfare vessels. One of the Marlin 100 EW's key features is its high degree of autonomy. Powered by an advanced artificial intelligence (AI) navigation system, the vessel can plan routes, avoid obstacles, and execute mission parameters with minimal human input. The ship's onboard systems are integrated into Turkey's network-centric warfare (NCW) architecture, allowing it to operate alongside other unmanned vehicles such as the ULAQ USV, Bayraktar TB2, Kızılelma Uçağı, and Akinci drone. This interoperability creates a fully connected defense ecosystem where data from air, sea, and land platforms can be shared in real time. For communications, the Marlin 100 EW utilizes secure satellite data links, encrypted radio channels, and an autonomous fallback mode to ensure continued mission execution even under conditions of heavy interference or cyber attacks. The vessel can be remotely controlled from a land station or ship, and is also capable of switching to autonomous operation if communications are lost, ensuring mission continuity in hostile conditions. Technical specifications. While not all details have been made public, available information indicates that the Marlin 100 EW has impressive specifications. The successful test of the Marlin 100 EW underscores Turkey's determination to achieve technological independence in the defense sector and reduce reliance on foreign systems. Over the past decade, the country has significantly expanded its domestic production of advanced defense technologies from unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and tanks to missiles and naval systems. With Marlin 100 EW, Türkiye enters a new era where unmanned electronic warfare vessels can protect national waters, critical sea routes, and offshore resources without risking human lives. This capability will also enhance Türkiye's deterrence posture in the eastern Mediterranean, where maritime competition and electronic threats have intensified in recent years. Turkish defense analysts view the Marlin project as a strategic multiplier for naval power, allowing the country to conduct surveillance, jamming, and countermeasure operations simultaneously across multiple maritime zones. The unveiling and testing of Marlin 100 EW have generated strong interest from several allied nations, countries seeking to strengthen their maritime security without expanding crewed fleets or viewing unmanned vessels as a cost-effective alternative. Aselsan and SEFINE are reportedly preparing for export opportunities under Turkey's Defense Export Initiative, which aims to make the country one of the top 10 global defense exporters by 2030. The Marlin platform's modular nature makes it suitable for customization according to customer needs, including changes in armament, sensors, or communication systems. As electronic warfare becomes increasingly critical in naval strategy, the Marlin 100 EW could become a key export product for the Turkish defense industry. The Marlin 100 EW is part of a broader Turkish roadmap to develop fully autonomous naval task forces. Future iterations are expected to integrate swarm coordination, where multiple unmanned vessels work together to overwhelm enemy defenses, share sensor data, and conduct synchronized attacks or jamming operations. Turkey's Defense Industry Agency, SSB, and the Turkish Naval Forces Command have expressed their intention to continue expanding the Marlin family, potentially adding larger versions with greater endurance, payload capacity, and missile integration. Goal is to create a networked fleet of unmanned vessels capable of operating seamlessly with manned warships such as the TCG Anadolu Amphibious Assault ship and the upcoming I-class frigates. The successful test of Marlin 100 EW marks a turning point for Turkey's naval capabilities. It represents the perfect blend of autonomy, intelligence, and electronic dominance, three factors shaping the future of maritime warfare. By mastering electronic warfare at sea through unmanned technology, Türkiye has demonstrated not only its technological maturity, but also its strategic foresight in modern defense planning. As the Marlin 100 EW transitions from testing to operational deployment, it is clear that Türkiye is not just keeping pace with global naval innovation, it is leading the charge into a new era of intelligent, unmanned, and fully networked maritime power.